Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Najwa. So I usually do beauty and lifestyle content. So if that is what you're into, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post roughly about once a week or once in 2 weeks. So today I'm gonna show you my Ipsy Iconbox unboxing. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So this is how the new Ipsy Iconbox box looks like. It's so big. I don't really like the box because I feel that it's a waste of space, I think. But you know, I guess because sometimes you get much more products in Iconbox, so that's why they use this kind of box. So for Ipsy Iconbox, this is a quarterly box that you will get if you are subscribed to Boxycharm by Ipsy, which is $28 per month, I think. Yeah, $28 per month. So every quarterly they will actually upgrade your Boxycharm box to Iconbox. So this one is Iconbox for the month of August. So I actually paused my Boxycharm subscription, but I forgot to actually pause it again after 3 months. So I got my Boxycharm in July. So in August they actually charged my card again, and I was charged for the Iconbox. So for the month of August, the curator is Vanessa Hudgens. So I actually did not want to subscribe in the first place, but I was thinking, hey, maybe if Vanessa Hudgens is the curator, maybe I would get her product in my box, which is her product is actually the No Beauty skincare product, I think. So I was hoping that I got that product in my box, but unfortunately I did not, because I wanted to try her product. But so this is the pamphlet. So as usual for Iconbox, you will get a pamphlet that tells you about the product, about the curator, what are the products that you might get in your box for that month, and the retail price and all those stuff. So first product I got is the Dr. B Lab Foaming Face Cleanser. I think this is a Dr. brand skincare product. Yeah, it's Dr. brand. So basically this is a foaming face cleanser, so you use it as a normal face cleanser. I've not tested this out because I still have a cleanser that I need to use up and use this next. Oops, use that next. Okay, so for that Dr. Brand Skincare Foaming Face Cleanser, the retail price is $62. So it says here, no matter how tired you are, you gotta cleanse. This cleanser takes off all traces of makeup and SPF, which is very important. So apparently this is one of the products that Vanessa Hudgens like to use to clean her face. Okay, so next product is Volition Neroli Complete Cream with vitamin C and vegan collagen. So this is how it looks like, the box. Okay, I've actually gotten a Volition product before in my box. I got I think it was a moisturizer as well. It was an alright moisturizer. I've used it up. Maybe I'll feature it in my next empties, because I have so much empties that I have not made a video about my empties yet. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's glass, white cover, and this is how it looks like. I've already actually started using this. It has like a bit of a smell, not that strong, but of course you will smell it when you put it on your face, but it doesn't linger on, it goes off. So I've used this for a week, I think, already, and it feels very nice. I use it at night as my night cream, so it doesn't feel that thick, but it still gives a good hydration to the skin. when I get up in the morning, I still feel that my skin is quite supple and plump, I would say. So great product. The next product that I got is a hair product. This is the Pomelo Co Vanilla Elixir Hair Serum. So this is how the packaging looks like. Very big, cute. So this is like a dropper type of product. It does look like skincare, right? So it's actually not skincare, it's actually hair care. It's actually a hair serum. It smells good, it smells of vanilla. Okay, so but you can see it's actually quite watery. You can see it. So I was hoping that it's like a bit more on the liquidy side, but it's not. So I'm just putting it on my hair. It feels nice. I've used this before, and the smell is the smell lingers quite long. So if you're not into, you know, products that have a scent, you might not like this, but I like it because it makes my hair smell really nice. I feel that it makes my hair feel soft as well, although I would love it that it, you know, so if you can see, it's still quite wet on my hand. So this is more of like a, it's definitely more of like a hair, it's like more watery type of hair oil rather than the liquidy type. So this is not exactly like a serum, I think. So it's best to call it an oil. So it's nice, and the packaging is really cute. It's pink, so I don't mind. So, okay, sorry, I forgot to tell you the retail price for the Volition moisturizer. So the Volition Beauty Neroli Complete Cream Moisturizer is $50, and the Pomelo and Co Vanilla Elixir Hair Serum is how much? Okay, this is $30. Okay, so next product is, I believe the next other products that I got is actually makeup products. So yay! So okay, so the first makeup product that I got is the Il Makiage Color Boss Master Palette 8 multi-dimensional eye colors. So this is the packaging. So, so blinding. So this is how the palette looks like. So I would say that the palette is more of like a more cool tone sort of color, which is quite nice because I don't really have that much cool tone colors in my collection, because I usually tend to lean towards warmer tone palettes. Okay, so I've not tested out this palette yet, so I don't know. Maybe I'll swatch it and show you guys how it looks on my hands. Don't know whether you can see the colors. I'm so bad at swatching. So okay, so this is the matte colors, and this is the matte colors, and this is the, I would say like satin shimmer colors. So the colors, the pigmentation is quite nice. So I would think that it blends out nicely. I don't know, let us see how well this blends out. It seems like it blends out nice. So okay, maybe I'll try it out next time. Okay, so the Il Makiage Color Boss Master Eyeshadow Palette, the it's retails at it retails for $55. So this is what I mean. This is what I mean. You can see my handprints are all over it. Okay, so the next product that I got is also a makeup product. It's the Natasha Denona Alloy Cheek Duo Palette, the Bronze and Glow Palette, I think it's called. It comes in this white box, which I don't know why. Usually, if you have bought any products from Natasha Denona, it comes in a nicer box, not this kind of box. So I don't know. Maybe this product is made specifically for Ipsy. Maybe, I don't know, maybe that's why it comes in that packaging. So anyway, this is the outer box, who cares, right? So okay, so this is how it looks like. It's in a bronzy packaging, which is nice. It's the Alloy Cheek Duo Bronze and Glow Palette. So this is how it looks like. So from the looks of it, it looks a bit dark for my skin, but I actually have it here. If you can see, this is the bronzer and this is the highlighter, and I have the bronzer and the highlighter on my face today. It blends out quite alright. I mean, you have to work a little bit harder to blend out the bronzer and the highlighter, but I think it looks quite nice. Although I do think that for the color it suits a darker skin tone, but I still can make it work for my skin. The Natasha Denona Alloy Cheek Duo Cream Contour. Okay, it says it's a cream contour face duo, but it's not a cream. I don't think it's a cream. So it retails for $42. The next product I got is the Wonder Beauty Skyliner Duo. So this is like a standard eyeliner duo. The color jet black and tan line. So one thing I like about Wonder Beauty is their packaging is quite nice. The color is like very aesthetic. So this is the two okay, so this is the two eyeliner. So this is the black and this is the brown. So yeah, this is like a standard. Okay, so this is like a retractable in which you can push it out from bottom. You can push it out from the bottom, and it comes with a sharpener at the end. So so this one is like a retractable. You can see. Okay, quite nice. You can never have too much eyeliners, right? So the Wonder Beauty eyeliner is the eyeliner duo is $32. So the next product that I got is the Iconic London Thin and Texture Brow Perfecting Gel. So this is how it looks like in the color chocolate brown. I've actually already tested this product. It's actually what I have on my eyebrows today. Color wise it's fine. You can see the color there, but I have a little bit of a problem with the long handle. I feel that the handle makes it a bit hard for me to use the product, but it turns out quite alright, I guess. It's just that I don't know, I feel that the handle is a bit too long as opposed to like for example this Belle and Argan, the handle is short and this is long. So I have a problem with this as well, because the one is too long for me, while the this top part is too short. So I don't know, I always prefer something like a balance of, maybe a balance of this part is already nice, but maybe it should be like a shorter version. I don't know, but this one is just me being being like picky about my makeup and stuff. Okay, the Iconic London Brow Gel retails for $26. Okay, so the last product that I got is the NARS Air Matte Lip Color. So this is packaging. This is the color Loose Control. So it's like a brownish tone color, like yeah. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's actually a wand inside. Not sure whether you can see. Okay, so this is how the wand looks like, and it's what I have on my lips right now. So the texture is really light, hence the name Air Matte. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing any lipsticks, but it's not transfer proof. Not sure you can see it. So it's not transfer proof, so it will actually transfer to your you know, when you drink and everything, but it feels very comfortable to wear. So I like the texture of it. Maybe, you know, I'll get it in a different color. Be nice. NARS Cosmetic Aromatic Color retails for $28. Okay, so that is all the item that I got, but I actually subscribed to Beautyboost, which is an additional $15, so you get an additional product. You know, they have like a range of products. So for my Beautyboost this month, for my Iconbox, I actually got the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So this is the cream. So I really like Elemis products. It's really expensive, so you know, so it's good to get it because you pay $15, and I think this is like easily like 100. I don't know how much this is. I will check the price and put it in the video, but it's definitely like more than $50. So this is how it looks like. It looks really luxurious. So it has a cover like that, so you can see. The thing about Elemis product, it has a bit of a fragrance. So if you're not into fragrance in your skincare, you might not like this. But so far, all the Elemis product that I've used, I liked it. Think it feels very nice on the skin. So this is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is a hydrating day cream. I've yet to test it out. I will test it out and get back to you on how well it feels on my skin. The Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream is actually $138 worth. So the total product, okay, so for all 8 products I paid $70, and the total worth of the box is actually $433. So wow, so expensive. Okay, so I think I got my box worth for this month. And on top of that, I actually got a few add-ons. I was gonna share with you the add-ons that I got. I actually got 3 add-ons for this box because the pricing of the products during add-ons was quite good. So I got first the Anastasia cream bronzer. So I've always wanted to try the cream bronzer. So because it was cheap, I can't remember how much I got it for. So because it was cheap during add-ons, I actually bought this. So this is how it looks like. This is the packaging. I love the packaging. The packaging is really light, and this is how it looks like. I have not tested it out yet. I will test it out and get back to you on how it feels on my skin. Okay, and then the other 2 add-ons is actually a deluxe sample size. I really like mascara, so I always want a mascara in my box. So this time I did not get any mascara in this box, so I actually purchased an add-on. So this is the new Benefit Fan Fast Fanning and Polymerizing Mascara. I have not used this yet. I don't know how good it is. I'm going to test it out later. So this is how it looks like. This is a sample, deluxe sample size. So I just want to test it out. If it's really good, I'm going to buy the full size one. And then the other add-on that I purchased is actually the JLo Beauty Dead Heat Single Gel Cream Cleanser. This is a deluxe sample size, but it's a really good deluxe sample size. I think I can use this like for a good month or so. Okay, so those are the products that I got from my Iconbox, and also the add-ons that I got, and my Beautyboost. So again, the total that I paid for the box was $70 for my Iconbox and also Beautyboost, and the total worth of the box was actually over $430. So I think that's a good deal. And on top of that, I got 3 add-ons, you know, at half of the price. So I'm really happy with my Iconbox this month. I'm going to pause my Boxycharm again. I'm not going to get the September one. So maybe if, you know, I feel like I want to get back on the tree, on the Boxycharm train, then I'll, you know, resubscribe again. So yeah, so that is all for my Ipsy Iconbox for the month of August. And thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.